today we're gonna get the ball rolling on this 240 engine swap. I'm gonna be doing the EGR delete plates and just cleaning the engine up just a little bit more, so when we throw it inside the 240 it should be nice and clean. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And also Bailey's gonna be coming over in a little bit. He wants to paint the Z, so he's gonna be doing his body work and things like that starting today. Hopefully we can get it painted maybe next week or so, depending on how much body work he wants to do. But that's kind of the agenda for today, so let's get started. This is embarrassing. This is my first plate and it does the job, but it looks so bust. And I thought I'd get better with the second try, but this plate is even more bust. So I think I'm gonna give up while I can and just order some block off plates online and then just do it like that instead.
Oh, so strong. Look at the muscles in the sunlight. Gee, put a shirt on.
Wow. I've been taking off freaking gas caps for like 35 years.
You guys are in charge of getting the cutoff wheel and the sander. It's under the toolbox. Ready, go.
Ah, dude, I'll grab the sander.
What?
Cutoff wheel and the sander.
That's a cutoff wheel. You didn't grab the sander.
Do I have the sander in my bag?
No. You need the cutoff wheel.
This is.
Oh, that's the cutoff wheel. You need the sander.
Okay, that's the cutoff wheel. That's the sander.
So smart. Bailey said that was the sander.
That's the cutoff wheel.
What is that?
That's a sander as well, but that's not the one we need.
Okay.
It's green, I think. Is it not under there?
Yeah, he freaking tricked us. We already had it. We had A+ on it.
Yeah.
I gave it to her. I handed it to her. Now what?
Squeeze the two things together.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah. Push it.
And then what?
Open it all the way. Push it in and then squeeze it again. Oh, yes.
Wow, dude.
Good job, Haley.
Oh, I did it?
Hey, you did it. Good.
Frick, that was actually really hard. Nah, it wasn't.
Is this how he does it? Just like, what's Billy doing? What's he Straight, right there, yeah. Oh my god. He's gonna rip this bumper off, watch.
this is just, I never even drive this car, ever. Like, this is like the second time I drove this car. And this is like the second time I drove stick shift. So yeah.
Imagine being a big fat liar.
So today we're gonna use usually I use fiberglass mat, but today we're using fiberglass cloth. The reason why we're using fiberglass cloth, is because it's freaking easier to use. And the reason why it's easier to use is because the other one, fiberglass mat, it is a mat and it like falls apart. And like this one, it's a freaking cloth. And we don't have one single pair of scissors in this house. This is Blaine's house. So we have this. I brought it all the way from my house because I knew we don't have scissors at all. And we were not gonna go to Target to buy scissors. I'm just gonna do it like this, Blaine. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh man, we need help, baby. Go get the scissors right there by the stove, please.
That's a really good light that you have. Oh, dude, these scissors are crispy. These are some crispy. Dude, that sounds so crispy. Like you gotta
leave it that big.
You gotta come and cut this, Angelina. Like it.
He's like, I want you to experience this.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah. Probably one of the hardest things in the world to do is pop open that top. Ooh, you a man's man, huh?
You know. Yeah. Like that.
More. It's good. Okay.
Pretty sure that's a hole. 20?
Yeah.
20?
Yeah.
Oh no, 21.
Okay, you're gonna mix that on your finger. Now you're gonna grab all your pieces.
Okay.
Take it out. Stop mixing it.
Shut up. Stop mixing it right now.
Okay, it's gonna harden.
Okay.
Pick that up.
This one?
Bring it over here.
Bro, cause Angelina, I don't know what is what now.
It's okay. Just
I don't know. Okay,
it's not gonna harden like right away, but
it will harden.
it will start to harden. Okay, and then stuck it behind there.
Stuck it.
Stuck it behind there.
Dude, I only have one glove, Blaine.
That's fine.
You see it?
Oh, ew. Hard. Not hard, but this is so like... Bro, it's like...
Yeah, just try to stick it, but if it won't,
This one. This is the big one. This is the big boy. And when boys are big, you call them big boys. Okay, like that. That's flat.
Yep.
Pretty darn flat if you ask me. We're gonna let it. wait. What am I saying?
You just telling me we're gonna
wait.
check back in the morning because we're
All right.
gonna
So
drive tonight.
after this, then we're just gonna check back in the morning, and it's gonna be hard as me. He's gonna be rock hard. No, not that I'm rock hard right now. Bro, it's just gonna be solid. It's just gonna be solid tomorrow morning. And we're gonna eat sushi. Alright, cut. This is too much. I can never do YouTube. It's so hard.
Okay, so we're gonna let this dry overnight, and then we're gonna
That
get
looks
dinner.
so simple.
Yeah. So we're gonna let this dry overnight, and we're gonna get dinner, and then we'll check back in the morning to see if it's ready. Then we're gonna go ahead and smooth everything out. Yeah, Bailey?
Yes, sir. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna buy gloves and just continue to make a vlog.